Hi everyone, Toys Academy here. I have here Disney Petite Princess Toddler Dolls only at Toys R Us. From Disney Frozen, Young Elsa and Olaf. And also from Disney Frozen, Young Anna and Kristoff gift pack. Let's start with Young Elsa and Olaf. Let's open. The set includes this pretty comb with the pretty designs. It's color light blue. And all of the snowman. He looks so adorable with his long carrot nose. And look at his upper front tooth. He looks so cute. He's wearing a light blue colored earmuffs and with a matching light blue colored scarf. And of course, we have here our young Elsa wearing her pretty tiara, the fabulous dress with the matching shoes. What is nice about this doll is that we can move the head, the arms, and the legs. We can bend the legs and make her sit. Young Elsa looks as pretty as ever with her long, gorgeous blonde hair. Okay. I want to have young Elsa a new hairstyle. Let's make use of the comb included in the set. Oh, look at this long hair, so shiny. She looks so fabulous with her long blonde hair hanging on her back. Now I want to open the gift pack of young Anna and Kristoff. Here, the rugged mountain boy named Kristoff. He looks so handsome and he has freckles on his face. He's wearing a blue and gray colored long sleeves and a blue colored pants with a pair of snow boots. We can also move his head, his arms, and his legs. Now we have the young Anna. beautiful as ever, with her long light brown colored hair with the streaks of blonde hair in braids. She has her pink fuchsia colored tiara and her pretty dress in yellow, black, green with a pink color belt and her black shoes on. She can also move her head, her arms, and her legs. Now I want to try if I can switch their clothes, Princess Anna and Queen Elsa. Okay, let's see. Wow. Oops, I like it. Okay, oopsie. Oopsie. Okay, let's try on this. Let's try on this dress on Princess Anna. Look at them. They still look so lovely. Even I switched their clothes. I really like this set. The three of them, they look so young, fresh, and so innocent. Thank you guys for watching, and watch out for more videos.